first of all, what is worship? To know Allah, to love what Allah loves, leading to obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to make Him a center of your attention, a center of your efforts. Instead of chasing for the pleasure of this person, that person, having all these contradictions, you're now focusing on the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then you give them various examples of acts, various spiritual examples, ritual examples, societal examples of worship. So from the fruits of worship is that contentment that you feel in your heart. Okay? Then in your hereafter, you're retiring in paradise and being protected from hellfire. It has a lot of things to do with your emotional situation, preventing depression, giving you a hope, giving you trust in the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, giving you validation that you deserve to exist. A lot of people, oh, do I deserve to exist? Am I good enough? You are, that's why Allah created you. That's why He chose you to be existent in such and such day. Gives you humility, and it gives you hope for a better future.